Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the content restrictions to allow or don't allow changes to reminders on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Screen Time. Next, we go down and then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then go down to the Privacy section. In here, scroll down and then tap on Reminders. Next, choose Allow Changes or Don't Allow Changes. And that's it. So select one of the two options. Now, it said that this feature or this settings disallow and changes locks. The settings shown below and prevents new apps from using your reminders. Now, as you use your phone, when apps accessing reminders, it will show in the list down here below, which you can make changes, and then from there you can choose whether to allow or don't allow changes to those apps below. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.